Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sukara. The Honorable Supreme Court of India directed the Director General of Police (DGP) to take departmental and legal action against the UP police who assaulted a 14 years girl in the name of interrogation. Now, the state has to take action against the errant police. Of course, I'm sorry, this happened in Rajasthan, Rajasthan police. You can read the case law as Ramveer versus the State of Rajasthan in Criminal Miscellaneous Petition number 144 by 2024, decided on 7th March 2024 by 2 judges bench. Honorable Justice Abhay Srinivas Vakha and Ujjal Bhuyal. They ordered action against the police. Of course, since it is an institution, they have to follow the procedure. The procedure is, first of all, they have to initiate an inquiry. They should form a committee. The committee should inquire into the matter. Then, if they decide that the police have erred somewhere, they have done something wrong, then only action can be taken. The action is of two different types, maybe departmental action, maybe legal action, maybe both. What is the necessity for this? How it happened? తెలుగులో ఇంకి పెళ్లి సుబ్బిసావుకు వచ్చిందని ఒక సామెత ఉంది. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది కేసు రిలేటెడే కాదు. డిపోజిషన్ చూసిన తర్వాత సుప్రీంకోర్టు ఈ అభిప్రాయానికి వచ్చింది, అందుకని ఏమి లేదు. యాక్చువల్గా ఎవరు పట్టించుకోలేదు దీన్ని. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? లెట్ us know. Mr. Ramveer, so he was arrested on 18/8/2021 for murdering his wife with firearms. This man was roped in as accused in a murder case of his own wife because he killed her on that prior night, 17th, this incident happened. He was in jail. In 2022, he applied for bail but not granted. 23, not granted. He went to the High Court. High Court also not accepted. Ultimately, he came to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court, while rejecting the bail, they ordered the early conclusion of the trial by the lower court, but it was not done. Ultimately, in the year 2023, presently 2023, he has come once again to the Supreme Court stating that the lower court, neither they have completed the trial nor they have given him bail. So when they asked the lower court, it is clear that only 5 witnesses were examined so far. Then Supreme Court wanted to verify as to why there was a tardy progress in the investigation, very slow progress in the trial. 5 witnesses were examined. They have gone through the depositions of the 5 witnesses. In that PW2, who is she? She is the daughter of the deceased as well as the accused person. She is the daughter of the deceased as well as the accused person. And in her deposition, she stated that on the particular night, so there was a scuffle between mom and dad. This is in her version. There is a scuffle between her father and mother, and father fired at her. She was present, and she was asked, or she was threatened not to tell anybody that her father fired at her mother, and if not, he would kill her also. Then he went out and came back after 5 minutes. He told somebody that he killed his wife. The person from the other side, he asked him immediately to call the police. Of course, the father called the police. He informed the police, and in the meanwhile, he tried to give money to the daughter, that is PW2, but she refused. And when the police came, he told them the girl shot at her mother. First, he said that the mother herself committed suicide by shooting. And immediately he said, this PW2 shot her. Then police got it out. They asked her, come on, you keep the pistol, patko, and asked her as to how she can fire. Of course, she was in a frightened mood. She could not tell anything. She was taken to the police station. There she was interrogated up to 7:30 p.m. in the night. Of course, after confirming that she is not the culprit, they released him. This is the problem. Now the story is clear that a girl of 14 years was taken to the police station in the name of interrogation. She was induced, she was threatened, she was coerced, or she was beaten during the interrogation. Can it happen? That to a girl, 14 years. That to a witness. She is not an accused. How this thing has come? Take action against the errant police officers. A girl cannot be summoned to the police station, that too below 16 years, CRPC. Then, a witness cannot be induced to threat, cannot be induced to coercion, should not be threatened. How can the police do it? It's nothing but criminal activity, nothing but excess use of the police force. Take action against the people, both legal and departmental and informers. DGP is directed to take action, and the matter is posted to, I think, 24th of April. So this is the summary of this case. Actually, now the Supreme Court is forced to give him bail. So here problem is not regarding the bail. Actually, he has applied for the bail, but the issue has taken a new turn regarding the atrocity of the police. So police officers, if anybody happens to see it, please be careful. Follow the law. Otherwise, things will happen like this one. Thank you.